Hello guys, welcome to today's class. We are going to talk about how to use VS Code. The full meaning of VS Code is Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. It is used for editing code, so we can use JavaScript on it. We can use Node. We can use CSS, uh, HTML. So a lot. So we are not going to talk about that for now. So when you open your VS Code, this is what it is going to display for you. So what you need to do is come to your file. You need to create a folder first. It is inside that folder that all your code that you are going to be creating or your subfolders that you are going to be creating. It is inside that main folder that they are going to be. It is inside that main folder that is going to encompass all of them. So let us now create our folder. Go to file, then come to open folder. Come to open. Can you see? Come to folder. What do you need to do? Come to new folder here. Can you see? Can you see new folder? What do? You create your new folder here. So let me name it. I already have a existing folder here, but let me create new folder here. No, that's yes. Let me create new folder. Let me name it coding, or what should I name itself? Okay, coding SP, coding with SP. That is what I'm going to name it. Enter, then select the folder. That is all. You are good to go. Now, this is our folder here. So inside this folder now, we can now create another subfolder. We can create subfolder as many as we want. So let me create subfolder inside this folder now. For me to create subfolder here, you can see this one. This one for new file. It is when we want to create file like CSS file, HTML file, JavaScript file, and so on. And this when we want to create folder. Let us create new folder inside this coding with SP. Then we create new folder. Let me name it. Let me work. What can I name it? Let me name it first code. First code. That is it. Now we are now having support inside our main code. First code. Then inside this one now, we can now create what? We can now create our files. We can now create our files. Then we right click on it, put your cursor on it, then right click, then come to new file. When you come to new file, then type the name of your file, first code dot html. You are good to go. You are good to go. You know that. Okay, you are good to go. That is how to do that. For now, we meet in the next